Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7942 Shire Lane in Victor.
This resort-style estate is situated on over 1.5 acres and is an entertainer's dream, with an in-ground pool with a waterfall, a pond, and a creek meandering through the property. This place is amazing!
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy phenomenal open living with all the high-end finishes and a surplus of entertaining space. With a spectacular great room featuring a designer cook's kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a center island breakfast bar. Overlooking the family room with a gas fireplace and a gorgeous mantel. A vaulted ceiling morning room with a wall of windows and deck access. Let the good times roll. The first floor also features an expansive dining room with a chair rail and crown molding, an executive office with a bay window overlooking the pond, a convenient powder room and laundry, plus a grand 2-story foyer with soaring ceilings and a palladium window.
The exceptional size and space continues upstairs, with a foyer overlook leading to 4 spacious bedrooms with exceptional closet space and 2 full bathrooms, including this primary suite retreat with French doors opening to the spa bathroom, his and her walk-in closets, and a spacious bedroom. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. But there's more with this ultimate walkout lower level, with a great room featuring an expansive oak wet bar, a game and entertaining area with an adjacent full bathroom, plus a home movie theater. This place has it all.
Welcome to your own 5-star resort. With exquisite landscaping featuring a tranquil waterfall that leads to the in-ground pool with an expansive patio area for sunbathing, plus an elevated deck overlooking the hardscaping and pergola with a patio. Situated on over 1.5 acres with a stunning setting with mature trees, a pond, and a creek. Truly a little slice of entertaining heaven.
The town of Victor is a great place to live with excellent restaurants and shopping. With easy access to Rochester and Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7942 Shire Lane in Victor.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!